Ernesto Garza,
Yes.
this is Ernesto Garza's Jr.
Yes.
Good afternoon to you. All right, so we got an issue, Mr. Johnson. I got Mr. Zapanik as our house counsel. I don't know if you have, is a conflict there? Or if I just have two house counsels this afternoon. I think, good afternoon, Ms. Williams Law.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Oh, you're right, Your Honor. Sorry about that. Wrong
Sorry.
court. Have a good one.
All right, let's get going. You want to speak to the city attorney for your case? I'll have to wait on them to come in. You can finish. No, you want to name. That Deshaun Lamar Graves.
Yes.
Is that Wilhelmina Antoinette Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Pro, I'm gonna wait until city attorney gets in here and I'll call you case then. Let's go with
I'm here, Your Honor.
all right, he wants to speak to you in a breakout room.
Who does?
All right, this is the city of Detroit. Christina Francis, give me the pronunciation of your last name again.
You want me to spell it?
Christina Francis.
Yes.
What's your last name?
Growitz.
Grochowicz.
Yes.
Grohowick.
Yes.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Christina Francis Grohowick. Case number SP 1264080, counts 1 and 2, and SP 126408111. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranek for the defendant, Your Honor. Can you state your name, ma'am?
Christine Growitz.
Council, today is the date and time for arraignment on the matter.
We waive the formal reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
All right, I'll enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf for a $0 bond. Do you have a driver's license, ma'am?
You said what?
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes.
Run a driver's license, please. insurance for this vehicle?
I don't have that car no more.
I need you to come into the camera.
You said what?
I need you to come in the view of the camera, please.
I don't have it on. I'm talking on the phone. I don't have Zoom.
I think she's on two different devices.
There is a Zoom in your name up there.
But I'm talking to you on the phone.
Ma'am, you're also signed in under Zoom. I see a light. I see a light and somebody standing there.
That's not me. I'm in my room and talking here. I'm talking on the phone.
All right, well, until you can get that figured out, we're gonna pass your matter.
Christine, can you go in the other room and show your license on that camera?
My license, I can't hardly hear because the phone is echoing. You said you need what? My driver's license?
I got a valid driver's license. No, I need to see who I'm looking at.
I don't have you.
Phone is echoing because you're on two devices,
Two
ma'am.
different devices. You're on two different devices. You're on the phone and you're signed in under Christina with your last name on a device, and it appears that she has eliminated that device
Okay,
now.
so I don't know how to do Zoom. I'm trying to do it.
All right, let's move on. Vontae Greer,
Yes. Hello?
yeah, where are you, sir?
I'm at my dad's hardware store.
Let me see your face, sir.
Okay.
There we go. Oh,
Hello?
All right. He's a very frequent flyer. You have cases for days. This is absolutely ridiculous. How old are you?
26. I'll be 27 next month.
You're 26 and you had this many contacts with police already?
I just only got 4 tickets.
No, that's not what they say. What's your middle name?
CM
And what's your date of birth?
8/18/95.
So you're telling me you only got 4 tickets in your lifetime?
No, I have got more tickets.
I said, you're 25 years or 26 years old and you've had this much police contact.
I was trying to go to court because I don't believe some of that is me.
Oh, I mean, you never made it to court to find out then, huh?
Yeah, because I didn't know about it. Then because I actually had my mother died in 2015 and I had moved out of state for a couple years.
Well, he's got a lot of cases.
Yeah, so that's why I've been trying to come to court to clear that up.
You've entered into payment arrangements with the court, never satisfied those.
Judge, what's this defendant's name?
Devontae Greer.
Greer. Okay, thank you.
Devontae C.M. Greer.
Yes.
He's seeing them too.
Could you repeat
And
that?
all his tickets. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Devontae C.M. Greer. Case numbers SP 1322483, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 12, strike that, SP 1322483, 4 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick from Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, please state your name, sir.
Devontae C.M. Greer.
All right, as for these matters, you want to bring your client, counselor?
We would waive the formal reading, stand mute, Your Honor.
All right, we'll enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. I don't have an offer in the file. I don't have an offer in any of these files. For a expired plates, no proof of insurance, unregistered, untitled, and a no ops. Is Mr. Goss on the line? We'll offer him a failure to display, $240, and dismiss the other 3 cases. He owes thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars for tickets that he has in his name.
Mr. Greer, do you want to plead on 1 ticket, no points? You'll get a fine. You just got to pay him. You got to pay it.
Yes, can I have some time to pay it? Can I set up a payment?
Mr. Greer, you know, you're not gonna pay this stuff.
I'm going to pay it, sir. I only can't. I had heard, man. I'm just to be honest, man. I'm trying to get everything on track. Like I came down. I got dropped off to 36th district, thinking I was going to be in court, like in front of you guys to address the matter and everything. Like I understand that I had other stuff going on, say the so, but I'm trying, man, and I want to try, and I'm going to do it, not try. I'm doing it. Like I'm tired, like, but I know that I don't have the $240 today to give you. Also,
I'm gonna tell you, like my grandmother used to tell me, you're too young to be tired.
yeah, I know, I understand. That's why I'm tired of being tired. I don't want to be tired. I'm too young to be tired. You're right. You're absolutely right. I don't take that from you, but I want to clear all that up. Like I say, I will even go to further extent to getting a lawyer, because like I say, my mother died in 2015. Out from 2015 to almost 2018, I was living in West Virginia. And if I can have, I got
Well,
proof of it.
somebody's been racking up tickets, if he's right. Somebody's been racking up tickets in his name. From 2015 to 20 till now. So anyway, all right, listen, I'll give you the deal, and failure to display, $240 fine. I'll give you time to pay, and we'll see what happens. You want to raise your right hand, sir?
And how?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
So you can put your hand down. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 fines?
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
You understand, by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right.
By taking it, by taking this plea, I give you guys the trial right.
You got, by taking this offer, you're going to give up the trial right that you have. Do you understand that?
So I still got to do trial?
No, you're not gonna go to trial. You're giving it up. You're saying, I don't want to go to trial. I want to settle it by taking this offer that I gave you. Failure to display, misdemeanor, abstraction to the Secretary of State, likely carry an additional 30-day suspension and a $240 fine. No points. You want to take that deal? Speak to him, Mr. Zarani. Join the breakout room and talk to him and explain it to him, please.
All right. Hit join, Mr. Greer.
All right.
John Greer, Judge.
Gaddis, you there?
Yes, sir.
Oh, what up? What's going on, Mr. Perlman? What's your client want to do?
Judge, my client, I had a chance to speak to the prosecutor. My client is going to, looks like he's going to take a class. And we're asking for an adjournment so he can complete that class. At that time, the prosecutor will either offer competing or 1 to 5 and dismiss the other counts.
Hello. Hello. Hey.
What about Sean Greer?
Okay. I'm at court. I can't talk. I'm at court.
And this is the city of Detroit versus Deshaun Edward Greer, case number SD 132049, counts 1 and counts 2. Here in the record.
Yes, Judge. Good afternoon. Jeff Perlman on behalf of Deshaun Greer.
State your name. Can you put your
Deshaun Greer.
P80517.
Did you get the information to that Michigan Defensive Driving class?
My understanding that the website is michigandefensivedriving.com.
All right, I'm gonna put it in the chat.
Okay.
Ready and Greer, Judge.
All right, it's in the chat, the information. Take a screenshot of that so that you have it. I'm gonna set a pretrial date for 8/5/2022. August the 5th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. Did they give you an offer? If you take that class, did you get an offer or what is it?
The offer, if my understanding that it would be either, depending on how well he does in the class, it would either be an impeding or a limited access, 1 to 5.
All right, very well. August the 5th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day.
You as well. Thank you, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Devontae Greer. Mr. Greer, is he out of the breakout room? Yeah, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, did your client have an understanding of what's going on now?
He does, Judge. He will plead to the failure to display.
All right, and as for that, Mr. Greer, that question that I asked you, you understand that by taking this offer, you're going to give up your right to a trial. You understand that?
Yes.
And you'll be settling the matters here and now outside of the trial. You have an absolute right to a trial. but if you want to take this deal, you're going to give up that right, okay?
Yes.
Okay, sir, let me draw your attention back to March the 2nd, 2022, at around 1:42 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Schoner and Maple Ridge, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Yes.
On that date, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No,
Why is that?
because I didn't have it on me.
Well, but if you had a license on you, it wasn't gonna be good anyway, was
No.
it? If you somehow had a license, it was not gonna be good anyway. So I'm gonna accept your, I'll find a sufficient factual basis. I'm gonna accept your plea to, the failure to display, that's as charged. And I'm gonna, with stipulation of probable cause, dismiss the other 3 misdemeanors.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, $240. When can you pay, sir?
This is June 8th. Listen, I can pay before the time I'm going to say, but I just want to give myself some time, like, because I don't want to say tomorrow.
Go ahead.
Okay, can I have a month to pay?
I'm gonna give you, until July the 11th, 2022. Pay by
Okay.
July the 11th, 2022. I'm not even gonna set this for a review. If you don't pay it, then it's gonna be like the other tickets. All right?
All right, and then I can go straight downtown to pay it, right?
You can pay it downtown, or you can pay it at any Div Dat kiosk, DIVDAT, in the city of Detroit. Or you can pay it, or you can upload that Div Dat app to your phone.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. I can
All
leave.
right. You can leave. Okay, let's talk. This is the city of Detroit versus Dexter Murray Gaddis, case number SP 126378281, SP 1263730, counts 1, counts 2, and SP 9489601. Appearance for the record, please.
Dexter Gaddis.
Bob Zarana for Mr. Gaddis, Your Honor.
All right, can we get your client arraigned?
We'd waive the formal reading and stand mute, Judge.
I'm gonna enter a not-guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm gonna put a $0 bond on the cases.
Thank you.
And, let's see here. Mr. Goss, is he here? All right, strike that last one, SP 9489591 from the record, please. He has disregard the red signal. You have a driver's license, sir?
Yes, sir.
Run his driver's license, please. If your driver's license is good, I'll do an impeding traffic, blocking traffic, $175 for that disregard the red signal.
Yes, sir.
You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
We would stipulate to the face of the ticket, Judge, for the plea.
All right, let's make sure the driver's license is good.
All right.
Driver's license, we're running out of paper. It's like a book. It's valid though. It's valid though.
That's a good thing, isn't it?
It's a good thing. Well, partially, but let's see when the last time, let's see what kind of tickets he's had.
Nice that you cleared it up.
Good thing that they're cleared up. Let's see. Just a lot of failure to displays. I don't see any civil, I mean, any real driving, real egregious driving. So, all right. Blocking traffic, if your client will stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor.
Yes, Mr. Gatus, you want to take that offer to plead to impeding traffic? It's just a civil infraction fine.
Yes, sir.
Everything else will be dismissed.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
And will your client stipulate the probable cause for the stop?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, and I'm going to dismiss the other two misdemeanors. When can you pay us, sir?
Give me about 3 weeks, Your Honor. Anytime after the 4th of July.
I'm going to give you till July 11th, 2022.
Yes, sir.
Pay that at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the court and pay that and go through immediately. If there's nothing further, good luck to you, sir. Have a very good day.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Thank you. This is City of Detroit versus Stevenson Lee Gibbs, case number SP 130-12481 and SP 130-126-1, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Gibbs. Mr. Gibbs, please state your name, sir.
Stevenson Lee Gibbs.
His arraignment, we waived the formal reading and stand mute. Appears he has a load ticket, improper license, and a red light.
I can enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, and I'll give him a $0 bond. These I can either get the state prosecutor in here to see if she'll give him an offer on these load tickets, or I can set him a pre-trial date and we can see if the offer gets to the file, or I can set him a trial date and just cut right to the chase.
Mr. Gibbs, would you like a pretrial date, and the city attorney will have an offer in your file and you can decide if you want to accept it on the pretrial date?
Or I can get him an offer, probably get him an offer right now.
I would like to take the offer right now. I also have a valid driver's license now, sir.
Well, they never did say, oh, they did say you had an improper license. Let me see if I can get APA Cole in here. I'm gonna pass the matter. We'll wait on the state attorney to zoom in and we'll get you that offer right.
Okay. I can show you my valid driver's license now if you like.
Yeah, run his driver's license in a minute. That might not be worth the paper it's printed on, Miss Plastic.
I just got it, sir.
I know it still might be no good. I'm gonna check from the person you got it from.
Okay.
Just hold on, Mr. Gibbs. We'll be back with you in a minute.
Okay, thank you.
Man, we gotta wait for the state attorney to come in here. Ernesto.
Yes, Your Honor.
Have I seen you before, Ernesto Garza?
I don't believe.
Like he got pulled over one time last year in April, and every month after that, he got pulled over again and again and again and again. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Ernesto Garza Jr., case number SP 1192790, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1218512, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1219544, 1. SP 1223136, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1322043, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1322171, appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Garza. Mr. Garza, please state your name.
Ernesto Garza.
Judge, as to his arraignments, we waive the formal reading, stand mute.
Hey, I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, $0 bond. I am gonna set aside the defaults in these civil infractions they were had from last year, April 27, 2021, all the way up to this year. I'm gonna give Mr. Garza an opportunity to be heard on these. Mr. Garza might need, do you have a driver's license, sir?
Yes, sir, but I think it's suspended at the moment.
Yeah, I would think so too. You're only 20 years old.
Yeah.
You've only had a license for how long?
Not that long, sir.
Sounds like you need some driver re-education.
Do we have possibly have a pretrial date, Judge? Give him a chance to take that driver class with the Secretary of State and come back with his certificate.
All right, I'm gonna, do you want to take the driver class, sir, and help you on getting a better offer?
It's an online class with the Secretary of State.
Okay. Yeah.
Look in the chat. I put the class in the chat. Take a screenshot of that. What I'm gonna do for your client is I'm gonna set aside these defaults and I'm gonna waive the late and reinstatement fees for him.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So he can go get a driver's license in the meantime while he's taking this class. I want you to go get a driver's license, sir. In 48 to 72 hours after you leave here, I want you to approach the Secretary of State to get that driver's license again. You're gonna take that class. You're gonna, how far did you go in school?
It's 12th grade, sir. And then I dropped out and started working.
Dropped out of school in the 12th grade?
Yes, sir.
That didn't make much sense, did it, Mr. Garza?
Yeah.
How was your reading and writing? Is it any good?
Say it again.
How is your reading and writing?
It's kind of difficult.
Do you think, how do you think you're gonna be able, you'll be able to handle this, class?
Hope so. I'll try. I don't.
Are you working now?
Yes, sir.
Try to do this class, sir. Take a screenshot of it.
Yeah, I took a screenshot.
www.michigandefensivedriving.com.
Mm-hmm.
And you have my email address. I'm going to give you a pre-trial date of August the 5th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. All right? Do the best you can to complete that class. And when you come back in here, I want you to be able, let's have some discussion about what you learned in that class, all right?
All right.
When you're done with the class, Mr. Garza, you'll be able to print out a certificate. Make sure you print that out so you can show it on Zoom when you come back in, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you, sir. I'll see you back on August the 5th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Okay.
You can sign off, Mr. Garza.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Sean Graves.
Yes, sir.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Deshaun Lamar Graves, case number SP 125-4858, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 128-7000, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 133-4993, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Graves. Mr. Graves, please state your name.
Sean Graves.
Judge, as to his arraignments, we'd waive the formal reading, stand mute.
All right, I'll either not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. Well, it's just a lot of I don't see, you got a driver's license, sir?
Yes, I do.
I don't see anything but unregistered, untitled equipment, no proof. What about these vehicles? Do you have registration and insurance for these vehicles?
Yes, I do.
Um, 2018 Chevy, I hope you got registration and insurance for that. Is that yours?
Yes.
Well, what's going on?
At the moments that I was pulled over, it was just for tint, I believe, for the tint on my car. And I really don't know about everything else as far as
No, but I mean, if you got registration and insurance, first of all, you still have the tints on the window?
No, I took them off.
It was giving you a headache. Well, it looked cool, but it ended up not being that cool, did it?
Nah, not being pulled over by the police as much.
So why can't you, or is it, do you not have your license, I mean, your insurance and registration on you at the time?
Well, the times that I went through a home fire and I didn't have my paperwork,
on me at the time because I wasn't keeping my paperwork in the car, but now I have it, you know, is with me as far as on my phone and things like that.
All right, where is Mr. Goss?
I'm not sure if he's in a different courtroom or not, Judge. He is logged on. But
I'm gonna find him. Sean Richards. All right, Mr.
Can't hear
Goss.
anything.
All right, I don't know if you're in the right courtroom, sir.
My name is LaShawn Richard.
Yeah, I don't think you're in the right courtroom.
I can't
Hold on
hear.
a second. Mr. Goss?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your appearance on the record, please.
May it please the Honorable Court, Dante Goss, P60162 on behalf of the people.
I have Mr. Graves here, and he indicates that he has a driver's license. I don't have anything to suggest that he doesn't. I haven't run it yet, but all of his tickets are unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor, an equipment violation, expired plates, no proof of insurance, equipment violation, which it seems to be stemming from what he says, tinted windows, no insurance misdemeanor, unregistered, untitled, equipment violation. I do have one ticket that reads that he has the
Call
tinted
your
windows.
dad, tell him.
Gibbs. Who is that? Gibbs? Hold on, Gibbs. So he indicates to me that he has insurance, he has registration, he got pulled over these times for having the tints on his windows. Go ahead and tell him what else you said.
That's it. I mean, I don't get pulled over for anything else.
So first of all, do you have the insurance and registration on you now?
I have the registration. My insurance is on my it's on the email, but I do have it on my phone.
He's got a 2018 Chevy. So my question to you is, Mr. Goss, is what do you want to offer this man? He said he removed the tints from his window.
How many tickets are there?
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 total, or
9 total. Three of them are for improper equipment, which I know one of them is a tinted window, and I have reason to believe that all of them are probably for tinted windows based on what he said.
Okay, well, how about we do this?
2 of them are for unregistered, untitled misdemeanors. 2 of them are for no insurance misdemeanors. And then 1 of his is expired plates and 1 is no proof of insurance civil infractions.
Okay, how about if he could show insurance and registration, he plead to 2 counts of the no tint.
I mean the tinted windows. All right,
tinted windows.
You got to show us proof of the insurance and proof of the registration. I can give you another court date to get those documents together. All you got to do is have them in a paper form and bring them up to the screen, and we can read them. And then he'll offer you 2 counts of improper equipment, $120 a piece. That's going to be $240, and we'll dismiss the rest of the cases.
Here's my registration right here. Hold on.
Yeah, but you don't have the insurance.
I mean, is
unless
it
you
any?
want to email it to me.
I can do that just to get it out the way.
All right, let me put my email address in the chat. Let's see the insurance. I mean the registration.
I'm trying to do it to where you can see it clearly.
You have to take the background.
If that background on is not going to work. All right, let's pass the matter until he can get that together. Let's with Rashard, let's see if we can get him to his place. LaShawn.
I have the registration. It's where you can see it now.
All right, hold on 1 second. What's your date of birth, Mr. Richard? Rashard?
10/20/1992.
All right, you have to go with Reagan Evans, Judge Reagan Evans. You're in the wrong courtroom.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
All right, do you have the right Zoom ID?
I have
No.
no
You can
on
go
this.
online. You can go online and do that, right?
Yes. You said what was the judge's name again?
Reagan Evans.
Her,
Okay, thank
her, ID, her number is 360-334-0000.
Can you give me that one more time? 360.
360-334-0000.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you. All right, Ms. Lewis, all right, let's see what you have on that registration. Now you turn it to the side, 2018 Chevy. 12, okay. And then I put my email address in the chat for the insurance. I'm satisfied with the registration.
Yep.
So look in the chat, send me a copy of the email address, and then we'll make the offer for that 2 counts of tenant windows.
Okay, is that at Sean Perkins at 36district.org?
Yeah, you got to put that period in there. So Sean.Perkins, period Perkins at 36district.org. All right.
Okay, so just send it to you and come back into the chat.
Yes.
Okay, I do.
All right, Ms. Wilhelmina Lewis.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good afternoon to you, ma'am.
Thank you, likewise.
This is the city of Detroit versus Wilhelmina Antoinette Lewis, case number SP 12634-261 and SP 12634-271. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm surrounded for Miss Lewis. Please state your name, Miss Lewis.
Wilhelmina Lewis.
Judge, we waive the formal reading and stand mute as to the arraignment on the insurance matter. She does have that and an improper lane use ticket.
All right, $175 blocking traffic. I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give her a $0 bond. $175, ma'am. Blocking traffic for that improper lane use. That'll save you some points on your driver's license. You have an absolute right to a trial. You can take the deal, you can go to trial, or I can put you in a breakout room with Mr. Zaranek and he can help you make an informed decision. What would you like to do?
I paid a $175, Your Honor.
Okay.
Could you give me 30 days?
Yeah, you don't sound too confident in paying that $175. What's going on?
I mean, I have no choice, and he pulled me over from
No. You got choices. I just gave you options. And you got one of the best defense lawyers in the state of Michigan right there.
I don't know, Your Honor.
Huh?
You, Miss Lewis, what the judge told you is you can have a trial if you want. That's an option. You can work out a deal. That's an option.
I sense that Miss Lewis is I sense that Miss Lewis feels that she was improperly. I mean, this improper lane use ticket is something that, as a practicing lawyer, I always had problems with as well. In what is improper lane use, you know? But nevertheless, this is a ticket that's been written, and this is where we are. Plus, there's a no insurance misdemeanor that we weren't even going to delve into if you took the deal. Now, you want to speak to Mrs. Zaranek? Talk to her. Talk to her.
Okay,
It doesn't cost you nothing to talk, Miss Lewis. You can get it all off your chest.
okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
How I do that?
All right, I'm gonna take that responsible plea for Mr. Graves, and while you're in the breakout room, all right?
Okay.
I got a copy. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Deshaun Lamar Graves. Mr. Graves, I've received your insurance. I'm satisfied with that. And I have received your, you showed us your registration. I'm satisfied with that. 2 counts of improper equipment, $120 a piece. You want to take the deal now?
So, okay, so yeah, how much is that total?
Well, 120 plus 120 in my mind is 240.
Okay, I just because I'm thinking about that nine number you said, so I was trying to make sure it wasn't 120 times 9.
No, 120 times 2.
Okay, that's fine.
You gotta make sure you got that understanding. That's what we want to make sure, that you have a complete understanding of what's going on. All right, well, I'm gonna find you responsible based on your own admission that you had the tinted windows on your car. You've since taken those tinted windows off, you say. So I'm gonna find you responsible for the improper equipment, $120 a piece. For that's SP 133-49933 and SP 128700003. Now, I gotta get the stipulation of probable cause. Will you, oh, there's Mr. Zarani. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
And will your client stipulate the probable cause for the stop?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the as charged in the improper equipment, $120 a piece, and I'm gonna dismiss all the other counts. When can you pay, sir?
I can pay immediately.
Immediately, I like that. All right, pay it at any DivDav kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm gonna give you 7 days to have that taken care of. Is it DivDav, DIVDAT in the city of Detroit? I'm told you can put that app on your phone and pay it right from your phone. If you have any trouble, you can always come down to the court and pay it in person, all right?
Okay, appreciate it.
Have a great day, sir.
Miss Lewis is going to take the plea, and we'll stipulate to the face of the ticket.
I figured she would. I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
She
her hang up, Judge, was more she's laid off right now. That's why she needs 4 or 5 weeks to pay, and she's kind of hurting for money a little bit right now.
I can understand that. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Wilhelmina Lewis. Miss Lewis, you satisfied now? You got everything off your chest? I can't do anything about the job situation.
Yes,
I can only pray that that's going to get better, and I'm sure it will.
Absolutely.
The $175 amended counter blocking traffic, that'll make all this go away, and it's like an expensive parking ticket, ma'am. So you don't have to worry about any abstractions to the Secretary of State at any points. You want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to find you. Will your client stipulate Mr. Zarani to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
We do, Judge.
Will your client stipulate the probable cause for the stop?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the dismissal. So I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. and I'm gonna dismiss the other matter. I'm just gonna give you 60 days, ma'am, to pay that $175, 8/9/2022, based on what your counsel said, all right?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, if you got any trouble after that, you gotta make sure you zoom in and we can readjust that date. But if you don't, you'll leave it out there and it'll just suspend your license and stuff. You don't wanna see that happen.
Absolutely, I need those.
I know, that's right. All right, have a great day. Good luck to you, ma'am.
You too, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Roki, good afternoon to you.
Mr. Roki's gonna sub in for me, Judge. She's my savior today because I have to.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Judge.
I think we were just waiting on some offers on Gibbs and Groshowitz.
Yeah, I don't know if Gibbs is gonna get, Gibbs, I can, I summoned the state prosecutor in here and I don't know if they're still there or not. I don't know. They just haven't showed up. But give it a few more minutes. We got one more case.
Your Honor,
We'll just give them a trial date and we'll settle it on that date.
the state prosecutor, the state prosecutor only works in the morning.
In the morning?
I gotta get that job, Judge.
I know, I would try to get that one too. No, I'm all right where I'm at. I'll be all right. I'll be all right.
All right, thanks. Pauline's gonna take care of it, okay, Judge?
All right, very well.
All right, good to see you. Take care. Thanks, Pauline.
Always.
You're welcome.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Stevenson Lee Gibbs. We've already arraigned him. What I'm gonna do, he has a failure to secure a load, improper license. I do have a valid driver's license here. And I don't know about this load. Mr. Gibb, you still hauling stuff? I can't hear you. You have to unmute yourself. I'll put you on mute. I'll put you on mute. So you have to press the audio button on the bottom left-hand corner of your phone and unmute yourself. Bottom left-hand corner. Audio button. You're gonna have to find somebody that knows how to.
Okay,
unmute.
all right. You
All
have me now, sir?
Yeah, I've got you. Are you still hauling stuff, sir?
No, sir, I'm not. What I am a lead abatement supervisor and also asbestos supervisor. And that day I had a load was a ladder that happened to pop off when I was going across the bridge. There wasn't any debris or anything.
Listen, you gotta secure these loads.
Yes, sir.
All right? I'm gonna offer you a blocking traffic this time. That's
Okay.
for disregarding that red light. You wanna take the deal, $175.
Yes, sir.
I'll dismiss the other stuff. Okay, Mr. Roki, for your client, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Or will your client stipulate the probable cause for the stop?
So stipulated.
All right, with those stipulations, sir, I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. I'm gonna fine you $175 for that. I'm gonna dismiss the 2 misdemeanors. When can you pay, sir?
After the first of the month, around the third Wednesday of next month.
I'm gonna give you July the 11th, all right? Pay by then.
Oh, yes, I can.
You pay it before July the 11th, you won't have to worry about any license sanctions or anything like that. If you find yourself in a predicament that you can't pay it, you need to let us know. If it's nothing further, have a safe day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Miss Christine Francis.
Anthony,
I'm gonna
come
get
and
the last
get me
name.
out of
You
this.
can leave,
I'm done.
Mr. Gibbs.
Yeah, I'm done. Get me out of this.
Where are you, ma'am?
Right here. Can you see me?
Yes. All right. Now we got you now.
I had to have somebody help me with Zoom. I don't know nothing about Zoom.
All right, that's fine. Let's see. Let's go back on the record. Give me the pronunciation of your last name again.
Well, it's Gorhowitz. People keep messing up my last name. It's Gorhowitz.
Gorhowitz. Gorhowitz.
It's okay.
Right.
You can't pronounce it. It's okay.
I can't pronounce it. I have to be able to pronounce it.
No, a lot of people can't pronounce it.
Say
It's
it.
okay. It's Gorhowitz. It's Polish.
I know it's Polish. Gorhowitz.
Yep.
All right. Gorhowitz. All right. Let's go back on the record, Miss Gorhowitz. Do you have a driver's license?
Yes. I just didn't have it at the time that he was trying to, when he pulled me over, and I couldn't find it. It was in my purse.
We already ran the license. All right. Let's give it an expired plate. Expired plate, $145.
Okay.
You want to take that deal?
Yes.
No.
I don't even have that car no more, so I still gotta pay, right?
Yeah, you gotta pay.
That's all. I'm just asking because I'm new to this, so I don't know.
Are you working?
Yes.
All right, expired plate. $145 where your client stipulates in the face of the ticket has an accurate factual basis for this responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Your client stipulates the probable cause for the dismissal of the other two matters.
So stipulated.
All right, let's go with, when can you pay?
Probably 3 weeks from now.
I'm gonna give her July the 11th, like most other people. 2022, pay that at any DivBet kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the court and pay that, all right? $145 and it'll clear it up.
So I just come down here with the money or the ticket or what?
Come down here with $145 in your name.
Okay.
And then they'll take your money and it'll close it out.
All right.
But if you don't come down here,
it's
don't
gonna
pay
be
it by July the 11th.
It's gonna be before July 11th.
All right, very well, ma'am. Good luck to you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
All right, bye. Okay, that'll do it.